Last October, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman promised that ChatGPT would get an adult mode. But now the grown-up topics of conversation will have to wait even further. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. An OpenAI spokesperson told Axios that the company is delaying the adult mode launch as its engineers are currently working on higher priority updates. Those priorities include intelligence upgrades, personality tweaks, and a more proactive attitude from ChatGPT. The spokesperson said, "We still believe in the principle of treating adults like adults, but getting the experience right will take more time." Not much is known about the adult mode in ChatGPT, but OpenAI says that it will only be available for accounts with users who've been verified as being over 18, although there have been some early issues with the age detection feature. The news comes as OpenAI is in the midst of a storm of controversy over AI ethics. The company's decision to sign a deal with the US military has attracted fierce criticism over concerns around mass surveillance and autonomous weapons, and many ChatGPT users are quitting the app for that. It's not just users either. OpenAI's head of robotics, Caitlin Kalinowski, has resigned from the company over the agreement with the Pentagon, and it's far from the first time that OpenAI employees have expressed worries over the company's safety policies. But for now, there's no new potential launch date for the ChatGPT adult mode. The most recent ChatGPT upgrade we've seen is a new GPT 5.4 thinking model, which rolled out just a few days ago and is built for more complex tasks. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.